In this video, we will be talking about how to record an audio track in Audacity. After you've completed your mic check and are ready to record, click the red circle to record on a new track. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also hit Shift and R on your keyboard to begin recording a new track. In order to keep your microphone from picking up background noises, make sure you're in a quiet room and have your script placed in a space where we won't hear you typing on a keyboard or flipping pages in order to read it. You can also pause your speaking or recording to flip pages or use the keyboard, then continue speaking or recording. It's easy to edit out pauses rather than edit out background noises. Let's try it. Click Shift and R and say, "Welcome to SUNY New Paltz, home of the Hawks." Perhaps try it again while pausing in the middle to crinkle paper or deal with background noise. You can hit pause to pause your recording and hit pause again when you're ready to pick up where you just left off. Once you have finished the entire recording, hit the space bar on your keyboard to stop recording or click the stop button. Now you have recorded an audio track in Audacity that is ready for editing or exporting. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other video tutorials.